I do look like little boy blue, although I'm kind of 6'2" and 220 pounds, but man, I have got so much blue. Look at that. I got my Ford Bronco hat on and my cool shirt. So, all right, thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I like to tell people stories, man. I'm a storytelling guy. Okay, I joined this company, LIVEGOOD. And if you're already in LIVEGOOD, you know what a cool company it is. But I joined 1 year and 1 month ago. Okay, March of 2023. I said, ready, set, go. Let's try out this thing. And here it is, April of 2024. And over that year, I've learned a lot. Okay, I've learned that video's awesome. If I just sit here for like 10 minutes, that's my favorite video length. You know, just shoot the shot. I always have a timer off to the side, and I can see when I'm about 10 minutes in. I like to wrap it up. Some of my videos need to be longer because they're tutorials, or some might be short. But I'm a big fan of good old-fashioned webcam, all right? Or maybe the electric Pop-Tart, I call it, all right? Maybe you can do something on your cell phone. Now, if you're not really into the video thing, don't worry about it. 9 out of 10 people aren't. Emails. You guys know email? Okay? I will help you. If you want to do the email program that I recommend, it's only $1 a day, $30 a month. I've got well over 100 and something emails I'm going to send you that have worked for me. And the subjects. You need the emails well written and fun, kind of storytelling. You need a subject that's interesting enough where people will click it. You need an opportunity like LIVEGOOD that's kicks ass, where people want to join. Okay? And emails work. They just do. It doubled my income once 6 months ago. I started emailing. First 6 months, I just promoted LIVEGOOD. Like, hey, guys, go to LIVEGOOD. Hey, live good, feel good, you know? And I still do. But now I email like a madman. Our number one guy in LIVEGOOD, he's an email maniac. And that's where I got my idea to do it. So, right on. Now, what has made my income jump by 10? I'm not talking $10. I wasn't making $10 and now I make 100. All right, I'm used to making thousands and thousands of bucks a month with baby LIVEGOOD. All right, but when I can 5 to 10 times that, or I can add another 10 grand, that's every 30 days, guys. Okay, that's what's happened now since I joined LIVEGOOD. I became good at emailing. Then I learned that having a website that has 4 things that promote LIVEGOOD, where people will click, they'll look at things and go, okay, now I need leads. I need some traffic. How can I, in accordance with LIVEGOOD, because you can't just send traffic directly to the LIVEGOOD capture page, because it could be spam, it could be crap, and you'll get your account shut down. Okay? So you got to have like a nice website. It's a buffer website. It's something that you can send traffic to, and they can look at this web page and go, okay, I get it. Okay, there's LIVEGOOD. Let's learn about it. Let's look at this traffic authority place. Okay, they have good education. Okay, right on. I like the courses. And guess what? Everything is an affiliate-based opportunity for you. So when you're welcoming people to one link, which I do, pleasewatchvideo.com, it goes to a website. Website tells a story with video. And then if they want to join LIVEGOOD, a video tells the story. If they want my lead gen or traffic authority, everything is done. Why I just go like this. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay? So, anyway, I hope that you have a pen or a paper out, or maybe just a good memory, or you can just save this video and take your time. Okay? I've got 10 minutes. I got 6 minutes left, it looks like. All right, this is LIVEGOOD. And this is my back office, and I do this live. I don't have a screenshot, and I don't even edit my videos. I record them and upload them, even if I have a booger hanging out my nose. Okay, today is the 17th of April, and I average about 1 sign-up a day with the routine or system that I do. Okay, and what's today again? It's the 17th of April. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I have 14 people signed up, and right now I've already got 5 people pre-enrolled, so I'll probably get 1 sign-up by the end of the day. So if I can get 15 sign-ups in 17 days, that's awesome, because I add about 30 people into LIVEGOOD. And how do I do it? Well, I do a video like this. I do an insane amount of emails, and what's nice is I make a lot more money by doing the same thing that I've been doing for the last 6 months. Okay? And that's where this comes into play. Let me move over here. I'm going to hang out under the tree, okay? I want you to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. And I want you to please watch the video. That's why I bought pleasewatchvideo.com, okay? And I want you to check out this YouTube video, okay? It's good. It's well done. It shows you exactly what I do, okay? Now, if you join for the month, I make a $20 commission just like you will. And if you join for the year, I make a $200 commission. Right now, I've got hundreds of people that are in, I guess, my group. And right now, I'm at the point where well over half sign up for the year. I'm almost at 70%, meaning 7 out of 10 people that join, they join for the year, and I make $200 commissions. Okay? I'm very comfortable at making $200 to $600 a day right now because I always have a few people sign up for the year per day. That's 400. And if someone is kind enough to go ahead and sign up for the month, there's 20. So it's up to you. Do you guys want to make $20 a month or $200 a month? And at the same time, promote LiveGood and get some good educational courses you can buy them, or you can buy leads, clicks, traffic, whatever you want to call it. And it's all in accordance with LiveGood. You don't have to worry about, ruining your whole, I don't know, let's say you put 6 months to a year into LiveGood and then you get your account shut off. Okay? You can't send paid traffic directly to the LiveGood capture page. But what I recommend is sending them here. And see this page? I just picked this one because I love islands and I just love hanging in the sun and relaxing. Don't you guys just want to go on the beach with an ice cold drink and an umbrella and just work on the tans? And wouldn't that be fun? Well, anyway, I don't make this page. All I do is pick it. Because see right here, when you sign up and you follow these steps, you just set up your funnel. Now, the funnel is nothing more than a website. You're looking at it. But there's 4 opportunities for income. First thing you're going to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4. Set up everything. Get your e-wallet. You got to join e-wallet because it's a big international pay service, and we get paid every week. But you've got to do all these steps. I can't do these for you, but I will send you a nice email on how I set up things with LiveGood and with my lead generation secret. Okay. So right here, you'll see these tabs. And right there, see the back office tour video? When you click each one of these, like step 2, step 3, a new video pops in here. And Mac does all the training. And you'll see Mac on pleasewatchvideo.com. He does an excellent job of just explaining the opportunity. Now, let me just show you how my business is. I'm clicking the My Business link. Whoop, there we go. Let me click it. Oh, I forgot to sign in. Let me sign in real quick. All right, let me do it one more time here. Like I said, I do everything live. I don't edit my videos. I think it's more fun to be live and screw up, and I don't know, whatever happens, happens. Okay. This is how I set mine up. The funnel right now is what you're looking at. People will join, and I make $20 to $200 a day. And guys, to say I print money, it almost feels like it. I'm so used to making $600 a day now, it's scary. Because guys, I'm not a guru. I've only been doing this type of business for less than a year. But I'm a people person. I believe in making things simple and fun so that if people join you, they have a good experience and they learn. They don't get all frustrated and pissed off. They just go, okay, I'll take my time. Don't worry. In a couple days, you'll get this. We'll get you signed up and get you real good at promoting one link because you're going to go in this little link tab right there and pick out a link like the palm trees that I did. All right. So $20 bills and $200 bills right there. See, I love LiveGood. So what I did is I put LiveGood in my selection number 2. And right now, if people want to click this YouTube video, they can go to joincory.com. And you know what? If they want to join this company, they can click this blue button and wham, bam. Okay? I'm a big fan of LiveGood. I hope you guys join it. I'm real good at it too. Okay? I'll give you the best advice I have, that's for sure. Okay. Income stream number 3. I want you to watch this video too. This gentleman's going to show you exactly how you get 100 to 200 leads for only $1 a day. This is an affiliate program too for free. This company, I have 5 accounts with them. They pay me on the average of $500. So I make about $2,500 a month just with this one company. With LiveGood, I make a couple thousand. I get as high as $10,000 a month with Income Stream 1. So $10,000, $12,000, $14,000. Well, guess what? With Income Stream, they're just a kick-ass company. I know Greg, the owner. And you know what? He sells courses, education. He sells the best leads. Some of the most wealthiest people online that need leads and traffic, guess where they come? right here, Traffic Authority. They're an affiliate company as well. And this company paid me $3,083 last month. And I think my income right now is at $1,700 or $1,800 already this month. And so I average about $100 a day. But $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,500 plus 10. So $17,000 and some change goes in my pocket every 30 days so far. I'm going on month number 3. And guys, I'm getting better at just explaining to people multiple income funnel. Get LiveGood in there. Get my lead gen. That way, while LiveGood is sitting there in a baby crib, you're giving it food and shelter and diapers and maybe a little kiss and maybe a little coochie coo doll to hang. Okay? And if it's a seed, let's get some kick-ass fertilizer. Let's get some water. Let's get some sunshine. All right? Let's get some ice cold drinks. Let's sit out in the sun and let's watch baby LiveGood grow. And I mean it. LiveGood is a badass opportunity. Don't let it blow by and then you hear about it 2-3 years later that you could have joined the next Amazon. And I'm not kidding you. We're a membership website. We got 1.3 million in the company. 12 million a month is selling just wholesale. We don't commission the products. People are digging just the products alone. And we're in over 225 countries, all in a year and a half. Okay? So I'll help you. It takes a day or two to soak all this in and get set up, but don't worry about it. A couple days goes by, and then you'll get real good at just going like this. Guys, go to pleasewatchvideo.com, because after you set up all this stuff, I just want people to come here. I want you to please just click this darn link and watch the video. Okay? And let's make you some money. I really want to help you make some money. How much? I don't know. I always have to do a disclaimer. But if you get addicted to this type of business and you can't wait to just sit down and do some leads and do some emails and set up some things and maybe make some business cards at Vistaprint, and you're just good at being cool. Hey guys, watch this video. Hey, thanks for your time. Can you do that? Come on. I'll end this video. I'm at 12 minutes. I went about a minute over. It's like, hey, all right. Can you say this? Hey, I got a short video for you to watch. Okay. Nothing to buy. Let me know what you think. Thank you for your time. High five. If I ran into you in a mall, at McDonald's having a rubber hamburger, or maybe online here during a little session, or the kids now, they say sesh, having a little sesh. Okay. But you're going to get good at just inviting people to watch a little video and thanking them for their time. All right. That's what you should do. Just being a good person. Okay. All right. I'm going to upload this video. I'm easy to get a hold of. If you have any questions, don't worry. I'm not shy. You're not bugging me. Okay. And subscribe to this channel, multiple income funnel, and emailing. Powerful stuff, guys. Okay. We'll talk to you next video. Thanks for your time. Okay.